You either believe in Jyotish or you don't. There are not many people who are in between. But what is it? Is it fake or real? Let's understand. Let's look at a small bit of data from this book. Solar month, according to Surya Siddhanta, is 30.438229707 days. And modern science says solar month is 30.438030 days. Similarly, lunar month and lunar year. Surya Siddhanta is an old Sanskrit book on Jyotish, and there are different opinions on how old this book is. Some people even go as far back as 14,000 years. But we will not go into that debate. Let us say it is very old. And if you look at the data, you find that they are very close to each other, which means the data and the calculation method that Surya Siddhanta used was quite accurate. Now let us understand, where does Jyotish Shastra sit in the complete Sanskrit literature? The complete knowledge is called Vidya. Vidya is of two types, Paravidya and Aparavidya. Paravidya is also known as Vedanta, which came later on, and these are encoded in books like Upanishads. Let's focus on Aparavidya. Aparavidya again has two parts, Veda and Vedanga. Veda is the main repository of knowledge, and there are four main Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda. But let's focus on Vedanga. Vedanga are 6 sciences that we need to know to be able to correctly read, pronounce, recite, remember, and interpret the Vedas. Jyotisha is one of these 6 tools. Jyotish Shastra, as represented in the book called Surya Siddhanta, gives us numerous calculation methods to calculate the path of the planets, the timing, etc. There are other books on Jyotish Shastra as well, and even the Surya Siddhanta and the other books have been edited and updated from time to time over centuries or millennia. Let us look at a Sanskrit sutra from this book. Tat dvadash sahasrani chaturyogam udaritam suryabda sankhaya dvi tri sagarai ayuta hatai. Dvadash sahasrani means 12,000. Chaturyogam udaritam, the 4 yogas combined, is called or stated. That Chatur Yoga is stated to be of 12,000 divine years. Now that and divine years are defined in earlier verses. And these Chatur Yogas put together is called a Maha Yoga. Suryabda Sankhaya, meaning in solar year, which is same as human year. Sankhaya means numbers. Dvi meaning 2. 3 meaning 3. Sagarai, this is very interesting. Sagarai is also a number, but it is called a Bhuta Sankhya. It does not say 4, but it indicates that it is 4. How Bhuta Sankhas have been developed? What are the other Bhuta Sankhas? That we will discuss somewhere else. But right now, Sagar means 4. Ayuta means 10,000, we have seen in earlier video. And Ahatai means to hit or to multiply. So the second line means, in solar years, multiply the number expressed through the Bhuta numbers Dvi, 3, Sagara by 10,000. In this method, the numbers are written from the right to the left. So 2 came first, then to the left of 2 came 3, to the left of 3 came 4, and then this number 432 is multiplied by 10,000. That is followed by 4 zeros. So we get this number 43,20,000. Now we will see something very interesting. We have already seen that one Mahayoga is 43,20,000 years, meaning the earth goes around the sun so many times. Now look at the other numbers. You say that all these numbers are integers, meaning in one Mahayoga, all of these planets go around the sun completely. If you start with the planets' positions at a point in time, then after 43,20,000 years, they will again be in exactly the same position. And this will be the first time that it will happen. This is the lowest number or the lowest period in which this happens. And hence, for astronomical calculations, this number is very important. We have already seen these numbers. Now let us look at some other numbers. According to Surya Siddhanta, the orbital period of the sun, meaning the earth, is 365.259 days. And according to the current calculation, it is 365.256 days. So the deviation or the error is 0.00082%, which is a very small number. Meaning the deviation or the difference between what Surya Siddhanta calculated and what the modern science calculates is very small. The same thing can be seen in all other calculations, which means even thousands of years ago, we had the ability to calculate these numbers accurately. So maybe for those of us who think that we don't believe in Jyotisha, we should take a second look. Because if the numbers are so accurate, how can it be fake? All the best. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.